Hi guys, today you will learn some phrasal verbs with look. Are you ready?
To look down on. To think that you are better than someone.
My new boss is very mean. He looks down on everybody. It seems that you look down on me. It makes me feel very uncomfortable.
To look after. To take care.
I'm looking after my friend's plant. Could you look after Bobby tonight? Our babysitter is ill.
To look back. To think about the past.
Oh, don't look back. Don't let your bad memories stop you. When I look back on the time we spent together, I'm glad I broke up with you.
To look for. To try to find.
My glasses are gone. I'm looking for them everywhere right now. There you are. I've been looking for you.
To look forward to. To be excited about something.
I'm looking forward to buying my own house. My little cousin is really looking forward to seeing you.
To look out. To be careful.
Look out, you're going to hit your head. I have to look out on my way to work. The streets are extremely busy.
To look up. To search for information.
I've no idea what this word means. I have to look it up in a dictionary. Could you look something up for me?
To look up to. To respect someone.
Tanya will do everything that Mark says. She really looks up to him. Great, I hope you're ready to do an exercise now. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my online English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!